Hey guys, what's up? It's G from Printzebra. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Epson SureColor T2170. It's a wide format 24-inch printer that works with Apple AirPrint. And if that's something you're interested in, then let's get into it. Let's open it up. Okay, so here go the instructions, the ink cartridges. No paper comes with this one. If you guys seen the other video of the F570, then you know that one came with rolls of paper and lots of ink. This one comes with ink, and we got a start here guide, declaration of conformity. Okay, so this is taped down, so I'm gonna cut this loose. The cartridges look taped in. Let's cut them free. Be careful here. So we got our yellow, our black, our cyan, and our magenta. These are not the biggest size that they have. I think this is a half cartridge size. If you're familiar with printers, you know you have to remove the blue tape from everywhere. A lot of times you got blue tape inside the printer that stops the cartridges from moving. So you gotta make sure you be thorough and remove all the blue tape. Be right back. This is our new printer. We got it so we can expand our printing capabilities. Cut it on. Sounds just like the other one. They both print 24 inches wide. They're both from Epson. And as you can see, they both have basically the same look, but they differ when it comes to ink. So right now, as we setting it up, I'm gonna tell you some of the differences. This is a 24-inch inkjet printer. And the date is right. We got this a few days ago, but we're just now getting a chance to open it up. It is not 454. It says remove and reinstall the maintenance box. So this is the maintenance box. It looks a little bit smaller size than what I remember than the other one, but it's not. See, they come with a chipset. Every time I buy the maintenance box, I get it directly from Epson. I will leave a link in the description. That's how I look inside there. That's how it goes in there. It said open it up and reinstall it, so that's what we did. Now it's time to install the ink cartridges. So click on See Guide. This is a touch screen, and they want you to open up the front flap. So that's what we're gonna do right here. Just flip that back. See, and then you come over here and you hit the arrow so you can see what to do next. After you do that, it tells you to hold the new cartridge as shown, leaving it in the package, and shake it about 20 times. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay guys, if y'all got time to like and subscribe, go do so now. This is a pro tip. We're gonna shake them all just for good measure. The next step is remove the new ink cartridge from the package and peel off only the yellow tape. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the cyan. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna grab the cyan, you can see it, right? And we're gonna peel the tape from the bottom, like that. And then now, we open the ink cartridge cover by pressing this down. See that? Press that down, pull it back, and it opens up. And you have your labels here for cyan, yellow, magenta, and this is the black cartridge. It says insert the new ink cartridge straight and then fully push down the push portion. Let's get it started. We go straight down. That's how you know which way it is. You see that? It says push right here. It's like a groove and you just push it till you hear it click. If you hear that click, let's see what the next step is. Insert the new ink cartridge there. Okay, so it says close the cartridge cover and the front cover. Okay, so now we're gonna finish putting all the ink cartridges in and then we can close it. Once that clicks, you close this. Come back over here. It says recognizing. It's initializing. You got 20 minutes. We'll be back. All right, it's done. And now we can set up the paper settings, hook it up to the internet so it can work with Wi-Fi. Make sure that the ink levels are correct and do all of our settings. Just before you go, I wanted to show you something. This is the tray that I had from the Epson SC-F570. This also fits this. And as you see, it's sticking out. It catches the paper. When you're using the roll paper, you may want to have it going up, or if you're using a long photo paper, you don't want that going on the floor because it'll smear. Then you will use something like this. Got a lot of interesting things we want to do with this. Had a lot of ideas in mind, so make sure you get subbed up for that. Once again, it's G from Printzebra. Thanks for watching. We'll be back shortly.